The amount of effort and time and stress that goes through for you for bookkeeping it's just not worth it. You're exactly the type of customer we built this company for. I get these ads on Facebook all the time. They tell bookkeepers to, raise their prices as much as they possibly can and then get like a few, large clients. And that's like the ethos of the industry. Whereas my company, it was literally designed for like the small guy, you know what I mean? We have over 300 people who are doing, under 100,000 in revenue who are literally paying $47 a month for their bookkeeping. It's not just like an ad, it's like what we do. Let me tell you about kind of how it works to work with us. The big difference between us and QuickBooks is, right, with QuickBooks, you get a software that you have to deal with to try to do your own bookkeeping. With us, you're just literally going to get your bookkeeping, all right? You have to use the software to get us the information we need, but you don't have to sit in front of a screen trying to figure out your bookkeeping. You're just going to get, your bookkeeping. So our team goes through questions you answered about your business. We do 400 of these a year. We can usually get the bookkeeping like 85% of the way correct. We then send that over to you. And you just have to make the changes, like correct the last 15%. So, if we mark something personal that should have been business, you let us know. If we mark something in the wrong category, you can just let us know. And so the way I like to describe it to people is like the difference between like taking a test and correcting a test, right? We're going to go do all the work. We're going to go make sure there's no duplicates. We're going to make sure we have all the transactions. We're going to make sure everything is good to go. And then answer all the questions. And then you just go through and you correct the test basically. Which obviously is way less time. So that process usually takes my clients about half an hour to an hour to do. You only have to do that a couple times a year, and that's it. That's how the bookkeeping works. I would say for 97% of our clients, we usually sell like a package, which is bookkeeping, business taxes, and personal taxes. And on top of that, if you decided in 2 months from now, 3 months from now, we would give you a full refund. There hasn't been one person who's asked for a refund for this company. We do too much good business. We don't have to worry about, when there's an issue. If you want a refund, we would be able to provide it for you. With us, we make sure that everyone gets every deduction they can.